feline. One of the most beautiful animals on earth is horse. This is why horses are called royal animals.
Most farmers struggle with low profits, but there's one animal that can make a huge difference.
This horse could change your farm and your income.
Horses aren't just majestic, Mike. They're profitable. From riding lessons, breeding, to farm shows,
Smart farmers are switching to horses, and the results are amazing.
Easy now, keep it up. Let's finish strong.
They are so soft.
They really are friendly. Look at those patterns.
Horse riding is amazing for health and fitness. It significantly improves your balance, posture, and core strength.
You're doing so well keeping her steady.
I love riding her.
Just like that, nice and easy. You have to be patient with him.
I am. I think he likes me.
Easy now, easy. Good horse. We're almost home.
Keep your heels down and look straight ahead.
Like this?
Exactly, well done.
Horse manure improves soil fertility. Eco-friendly and chemical-free.
There's a good boy, you always know how to make me feel better.
Comment below if you'd start today.
Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For more information, if you have any question, ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.